44 gang, what's going on, man? It's your boy Hifonics back with another banging video, man. Make sure y'all go to Hifonics44.com, man. Shout out to everybody that has been buying merch. Y'all really been buying lately. Appreciate y'all, man. Thanks for the support. Let me turn this AC down so it won't be too loud on y'all ears. But y'all know, as y'all can see, man, we got the family with us today. Man, what we doing today, man? So we're supposed to be going to hoop, but got a call saying there wasn't enough people. So in the middle of that cancellation, him and wife get the bright idea. She said, well, since we already out, we already driving, we might as well continue to go do something as a family, and we can just go shoot around at our own court or go to the lake. I ain't want to go to the lake. I'm an ocean person. If I go in any body of water, I'm an ocean person. I don't want to go to no lake. Lake got straight mud at the bottom. I'm not a fan of this. I don't like my feet touching. I just don't like the type of stuff. So we was riding around trying to find a court. Just so, excuse me.
I'm trying to see where you going.
Just so happened, right while we was trying to find that court, I seen a court. I gotta close this, man. I seen a court, so we been seeing this court is open. And yeah, man, shoot around, spend some time with my family, man. Let's see if this
I'm about to hit him with the double trouble. Double trouble.
Like I told y'all before, if y'all didn't know what the double trouble is, the double trouble is a double dribble.
It's a joke. It's a joke.
It's a double dribble.
No, this is school court.
Why can't we come on the school court?
They don't even let us on our
Yes.
It just said a sign, somebody.
What did it say? I ain't see no sign.
There's somebody access right there. It's a red sign on the fence.
Right
Well,
there. Go back.
And this is the elementary school, by the way.
A court is a court.
right.
Let's just go in.
The gates are open. You know what I mean? What y'all think? Gates open. Ain't nothing saying don't enter.
I just said that. Let's spin back and look.
What did the sign say, son?
It said something about access. I don't know.
It didn't say. Did it say don't enter?
It was. I don't
We'll just
know.
make a U-turn. We'll
I
go back
couldn't
and
read
see.
it. Just let's look at it. It's elementary school.
Look.
Be tricky. If it
I
was a high
can't-
school, be different.
I can't turn around right here.
You
It's so
sure?
small.
You don't have the backup skills?
Huh?
You gotta know how to back it up.
Yeah, I could have backed up. If my son just said he saw a sign, so we gonna see what this sign says. If this sign don't say nothing about it, don't enter or nothing like that, somebody can get this work. I don't know who. I don't know whether it's gonna be him and wife or my son, but somebody can get this work.
Wait, do
I'll
you
just
mean
put the
him
Crocs
or
on
me?
sport mode. Just let me know.
Do you mean him or me?
Not you.
What does the red sign say?
Because right now it says arrow pointed in. And that red sign says no public access, playground weekends. I mean weekdays.
No.
Oh, that's a weekdays.
Weekdays.
That's
right.
weekdays.
You can't
let's
come.
go.
You can't come
Nope.
6:30
Yeah.
to 6.
No public access on weekdays. So
Good
you,
eye, Messiah.
yeah, that was a good eye, but that didn't save you from this work. I know you was trying to find something to save you from getting this work.
What's getting this work?
Yeah. Didn't you say you could beat me?
I sure did.
What?
And I'm wearing Crocs.
Wait a minute. Put them on sport mode. Put the Crocs on sport
Put
mode.
them on sport mode.
Yeah.
The ball said he could beat me. Shout out to all my Philly, shout out to all my Philadelphia followers. Y'all heard the ball.
Wait, we are?
Well, I want to know, why is it basketball courts at an elementary school? These kids ain't putting up buckets.
Y'all heard the ball.
He
Park right
tried.
here. The song's probably the park.
Is that a merry-go-round?
I ain't been on a
I
merry-go-round
hate them.
since
Oh,
I get a
hate it.
headache.
I can't do it.
I don't do merry-go-rounds at all.
I don't.
But let's get out and get to work, man. The kid think he can beat me, man. We ain't never got to just play. We ain't never got to just play one-on-one like this, so we finna go and get it in. He swear he can beat me. He old enough to where he, you know what I mean? He old enough to where his skill set, or he's at the age where he could possibly have a skill set to beat a grown man. But let's see if he that good.
Let me try to overclown my baby.
Man, play some defense. 2-1.
3-1. Okay.
You ain't gonna play defense?
I ain't think you was hustling like that. Now you want to hustle.
I'm not hustling.
5-1.
If I had a reach, then you hit my hand. You can't do that. You can't cross over and swing and move my hand.
It was a natural reaction.
You can't do that. You better get rid of it.
Oh my.
See, you're gonna have to out hustle him, Messiah.
5-2.
It's 4-2.
5-2. You had 3. You did 2 in a row. 5-2.
I don't know why you keep doing that.
That's why. You heard? I don't know why you keep doing that.
5-3. Yay!
5-4.
5-4.
Yeah. Getting old. His feet ain't the same.
Good job. High five. Yeah. Sorry. Good job.
Wait, I get
Yeah.
down, Let me down now.
Woo, that was a good one.
Shoot him.
7-5. Ain't no lawsuit. What's up, buddy? You got something in your shoes?
No, this.
Okay, sit down. Take it off. Sit down.
8. 7. Ooh.
Okay, let's do. Did you kick it?
Do it.
Oh my God!
Get that.
What happened to you, Saya? What happened to you? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Why did you push him? Even his brother, like, you okay?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
He said you hurt Yaya.
Come on. That hurt. Y'all hurt.
And 1. Wow.
He gonna try to play you real hard, Messiah. 9-9. Caleb, can you get the water out the truck? Get my water. Game point, B1.
We teaching Hemiwife how to throw it and lose. We're gonna see if she gonna get it right. You ready?
That was not bad.
He not John Moran now.
I no cap. Used to be with ass. Now, no, but now, nah, but I never really went down.
Okay, that was too soon.
You gotta stand right here. Are you?
It's where he comes.
If you right-handed, get on this side. What?
Stay right there.
Oh, don't do it. Do you need me to see me? You want to see me throw it one time?
Oh, dang.
You want to see me throw it?
It was the wind.
You want to see me throw it?
It's him. It's not me. It's him.
Trap. That double rim is crazy, I'm telling you. Oh.
Hey, that's just a little sample of what I used to could do. You know what I'm saying? So 44 game, man, we done made it home, man. I want to, before I end this video, man. Hold up, buddy. Before I end this video, I want to show y'all our new merch line and what we got coming. So y'all just hold on, man. Well, y'all ain't got to hold on. It's finna be in the next clip. But we going to do some things for us, taking showers and all this stuff. Then we're going to show y'all the new merch line, man. Y'all really tapping into this new merch line. We really turning up, you know what I'm saying, this year or the rest of this year, you know what I mean? So we finna get right to that. Yes, sir. I don't know what this is on there. Get off there. But 44 game, man, this is, as y'all can see, man, this is embroidered. I can't never say that word, but I know it. Embroidered. It's embroidery. You understand me? You know what I'm saying? It's stitched in. You know what I'm saying? Stitched in there. Yes, sir. You understand me? As y'all can see on these, I think my new logo is, I'm taking the Hifonics off. If y'all remember in this open spot right here, it was Hifonics 44. You know what I mean? Right there. But this was just like a rough draft type design or whatever that we was doing, seeing how it looked. So the ones that you guys order, this top part right here will not be on there. It'll pretty much be a new design. This was just, we came up with that idea once we actually had this put on her. But this is a dress. The dress is on the website. You know what I'm saying? This for the women. Then we got the shirts, same way with the stitching. It turned out good. We also have it on the red dress for the women. And then we got the bucket hats, man. Y'all gotta get these bucket hats, man. These things here, nice. You know what I'm saying? Real nice. Real nice, man. Get the bucket hats, you know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, boom. Yep, so, yeah, man. We got this in white, too. You know what I mean? We got this in white. But I'm gonna kind of slow down on all the crazy colors I be doing and stick to basic colors right now. But we are gonna be switching some stuff up, too. You know what I'm saying? We still gonna be throwing some nice stuff in there, some different type of colors. But y'all know I was going crazy with the colors, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so y'all go to the website, man, Hemiwife44.com, man. Y'all make sure y'all get this stuff. This is perfect for the summer, man. I wore this the other day and blocked the sun from me good. I'm talking about like it did its job, you understand me? But yeah, them bucket hats, pressure, bro. They pressure. I'll put some pictures in here with Hemiwife with the dresses on. These dresses look real good, and these hats are unisex, you know what I'm saying? So it's for, the hats is for men and women. The dresses are just for women, you understand me? Y'all men, I don't care what y'all got going on, we trying to, you know what I'm saying? We don't rock like that on 44 game, you know what I'm talking about? But, you know what I'm saying? We got this, the dresses, the hats. Y'all make sure y'all tap in, y'all touch up, y'all tap in with the website, man, and go on and get y'all merch, man. We going up on this clothing line, man. Yes, sir. But what y'all don't know, man, it's actually another day, you know what I'm saying? We ended up doing something else last night, and I was watching the game that night. It's actually 2 days later now. That night we watched the game, and after I watched the game, bro, I ain't feel like doing it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's gonna wrap this video, man. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Browse going up all 2022. But y'all know how I knock my videos, man. A million times in between times. To the next video. Oh, prime example of what I was saying. Y'all see that? How the Hemi life is on there? You know what I'm saying? That's gonna be taken off. I think I'm taking the Hemi life off, so the yes sir just be out. It'll be all the way across. It'll be all the way across like this. Like it'll be just, you know what I'm saying, just one. Instead of this going up like that, it'll be taken off, and it just pretty much be a new design without the Hemiwife44. That's what it's gonna look like though. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, so appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, and browse going up all 2022. Y'all know how you know my videos. In the meantime, in between times in this video, holla at your boy, man. Yes.